I'm going to show you how to create a circle script like this in Canva. I was struggling to do this and I finally figured it out, so I thought I would share with you how I did it. So you can do this if you want to add this to your Squarespace or Kartra website or any other social media, whatever you want to do. Okay, so you're going to want to get a logo size template here and then add a little bit of text, add a text box, and of course you can put whatever you want in your text box. Let's just say work with me. I like to do a little space, this little, I don't know what they call it, the little vertical line in between to separate the words. And I think that looks really good, but you can do whatever you want. And then you're going to go to effects and scroll down to curve and curve it all the way until it touches. And obviously you can play with that. So what I was having issues with when I first started is my sentence was not long enough. I just had one part that said work with me and it was only doing a half circle. So I'll show you what that looks like. So if you only do one, it was just giving me this half circle. So once I figured out, okay, I need to put the full sentence, that's when I was able to get the full body. And I think that looks good. So then you can obviously change to whatever text or font you want. If you change the font, it may overlap, so you'll just have to play with it to make sure it looks very good. And it may not be perfect, but it takes a little bit to get it perfect. There we go. And then you can make this bigger, and it makes the whole circle bigger. And that way you can download it as a logo file. Remember, if you download this as a file that is going on a website, you're going to want to download it as a transparent image. But otherwise, super simple. Once you figure out how to do it, you know exactly what to do for next time. So hopefully that was helpful. Please leave a comment if it was.